Delay does not pause planetary processes, it magnifies them. Earth does not wait for consensus, it responds to energy. When intervention is postponed, natural systems do not remain neutral. They accelerate. Heat increases evaporation. Evaporation intensifies storms. Storms erode land. Erosion destabilizes ecosystems. Each delay compounds the next response. What could have been corrected gradually becomes abrupt and destructive. This is amplification. Human systems interpret crisis as sudden. Planetary systems interpret it as overdue. Feedback loops do not negotiate. They escalate until balance is restored by force. This is why restoration must begin early, not urgently. Urgency is a sign of failure. When action waits for visible collapse, the cost multiplies. The planet does not punish, it recalibrates. Amplification is not revenge, it is physics. The choice is not whether change will occur. The choice is whether it happens under control or through collapse.